Good morning, students. My name is V. Jyoti, lecturer in zoology. I am from Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet. Today topic is protein synthesis. Uh, okay, first slide. This is DNA contains genes sequence of nucleotides bases. These genes code for polypeptides or proteins. Proteins are used to build cells and do uh, much of the work inside cells. Genes and proteins. Proteins are made up of amino acid linked together by peptide bonds. 20 different amino acid is importance. Okay. Next, amino acid structure is important structure of. There are first is carbon group. Then it first one amino group attached, then carboxylic acid group. This middle one is carbon group. Is a very important structure of amino acid. Okay, next polypeptide. Polypeptide means amino acid chain are called polypeptide. Amino acid chains are called polypeptide. Okay, DNA begins the process. DNA is found inside the nucleus. Proteins, however, are made in the cytoplasm of cells by organelles called ribosomes. Ribosomes may be free in the cytosol or free in the cytoplasm or cytosol or attached to the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Starting with DNA. DNA's code must be copied and taken to the cytosol. In the cytoplasm, this code must be read so amino acids can be assembled to make polypeptides or proteins. This process is called protein synthesis. Okay, rule of RNA and DNA. DNA is the master plan. RNA is the blueprint of the master plan. So it's a blueprint. This master plan is the DNA of protein synthesis. RNA different from DNA. Why? RNA has a sugar ribose. DNA has a sugar is deoxyribosome. So observe this structure. Pentose sugar in DNA, in figure DNA deoxyribose, because this second carbon, first carbon not observe, second carbon in DNA oxygen molecule is absent, but in ribosome in RNA or ribonucleic acid in second carbon is present of oxygen. So it ribonucleic acid was DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, another difference is RNA contains the base of uracil and DNA as a thymine in pyramids. Okay, RNA molecule is single stranded and DNA is double stranded. Is a double stranded helical structure of DNA. Okay, next structure of RNA is a single stranded of RNA. There are three types of rRNA, mRNA and tRNA, but we observe a single stranded RNA. Okay, basis is uracils instead of thymine, because in DNA it have the pyramid adenine paired with thymine, and in RNA adenine paired with uracil, the differentiation. So it one nucleotide stand this ribosomes. Okay, three types of RNA. First one is messenger RNA, is copies RNA's code and carrier the genetic information to the ribosome. Is important of transcription process. Okay, transcription process means copies DNA's code and carries the genetic information to the ribosome. Next one, ribosomal RNA or rRNA along with the proteins make up the ribosomes. So it's a translation process to use to rRNA and tRNA. Ribosome used to very important along with proteins make up the ribosomes. And next one is tRNA, transfer RNA. Transfer amino acid to the ribosomes where proteins are synthesized. Very important. Is proteins are synthesized by tRNA. tRNA, another name is also soluble RNA is important, or sRNA also same. Next, mRNA means first messenger RNA, long and a straight chain of nucleotide made in a nucleus copy DNA and leave through nuclear pore is very important, as leave in nuclear pore, and contains the nitrogen bases. What nitrogen? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Okay, not in thymine. Okay, no in thymine. Okay, these ways are observed. Adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine. These are nitrogen bases, purines and pyramids. Pyramids are cytosine, uracil, and purines are double ringer is formed to purines is adenine and guanine. So this messenger RNA. Okay. Next, messenger RNA, mRNA. This is also mRNA. Second slide. Carries the information for a specific proteins made up of 500 to 1000 nucleotides along. Okay, important. It made up of 500 to 1000 nucleotides along sequence of three bases called codons or triple codons, we know, but starting codon is methionine is AUG. AUG stands for methionine is starting codon. Stop codon is the terminal codon of UAA, UAG or UGA is stop codon. Is very important for MSc bit. Next to ribosomal RNA, rRNA. rRNA is a single strand. The nucleotides are 100 to 3000. Here only 1000 in mRNA, but rRNA is a long, very large. So nucleotide, okay, very long strand, globular in shape, very important, globular shape, and made inside the nucleus of a cell, associate with the proteins to form ribosomes. Site of protein synthesis, very important. This was long, globular shape, and it to protein is important to cell associated with protein to form ribosomes is a site of protein synthesis. Okay, this blue one is the we observe protein synthesis process. So the genetic code, a codon designates an amino acid. An amino acid may have more than one codon. There are 20 amino acids, but 64 possible codons. Very important question for amino acid. Total amino acid 20 amino acid, but 64 possible codons is made. Some codons tell the ribosome to stop is translating. Is important. Okay, the genetic codons. For example, use the code by reading from the center to the outside. Example, a UG code for methionine is important. It is a stop codon also here. Okay, 20 amino acid made up of 64 codons. Very important. Codons mean triplet means AUG is the meth or started methionine, but stop codon is 3 stop codons UAA, UAG, UGA is a stop codon. Okay, next here we observe triple U and UUU is phenyl and leucine, and we observe isoleucine, valine, serine is an example of amino acids. Next, complemented bases very important. On DNA, adenine paired with thymine, cytosine paired with guanine. On RNA is adenine paired with uracil, cytosine paired with guanine. Okay. Next, transfer RNA is tRNA is shape of is clover leaf shape, single stranded molecule with attachment site at one end for an amino acid. Opposite end the 3 nucleotide bases called the anticodons. Very important anticodon. It recognized protein chain elongation. Okay. So first one, amino acid is 3 prime end with CCA is important. Amino acid site and attachment of site. Okay, very important. Leaf like clover leaf shape is in tRNA shape, a single stranded molecule, but attachment site of at one end for the amino acid. So 3 prime to 5 prime. Codons and anticodons important. The 3 bases of an anticodons are complementary to the 3 bases of a codons. Example codon is, for example, codon, first codon is the ACU is the mRNA. Its green mark is the green color we have. mRNA is a starting codon ACU is A pair with uracil and C pair with guanine and U pair with uracil pair with adenine. So anticodon is UGA is a pair with anticodons, codon and it paired with anticodon. Okay, observe anticodon is clover leaf structure of tRNA, so it formed to anticodon structure. Next, upper part of amino acid site is to recognize amino acids. Okay, this yellow part is the green color. Yellow is the tRNA, green is the mRNA. So at 5 prime to 3 prime we observe, and anticodon is a 3 prime to 5 prime. That's important. 5 prime to 3 prime, 3 prime to 5 prime. Or opposite is opposite called anticodons. Okay. Pathway to making a protein. DNA it form mRNA is called transcription, and mRNA to tRNA or ribosome RNA to form a protein synthesis translation process. Okay, protein synthesis the Production or synthesis of polypeptide chains, proteins, two phases. First one, transcription and translation. mRNA must be proceed before it leaves the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. DNA to form a mRNA and proteins. First, in eukaryotic cell, very important, eukaryotic cell. First, we observe a nuclear membrane inside nucleus. So, first, DNA is first one, template it form and is called pre-mRNA formation is called transcription. After transcription, RNA processing. So pre-RNA is made of cap and 5 prime cap and 3 prime amino acid sites. So it formed to RNA processing of mRNA and nucleophore to outside to come in cytoplasm. After the cytoplasm, it goes to translation. So first it attached to ribosome and there are two subunits, smaller subunit attachment mRNA and largest subunit attachment of tRNA. So ribosomal is important for the protein synthesis. So it large subunit is the attachment of tRNA, smaller subunit attachment to mRNA. Then it formed to protein synthesis is called transcription. This is transcription or formation to mRNA and translation to form the protein synthesis. Important. This is called central dogma. Central dogma is called DNA. It form mRNA. mRNA then form protein synthesis called central dogma. Next, translation. Translation is the process of decoding the mRNA into a polypeptide chain. Very important. Translation is the process of decoding the mRNA into a polypeptide chain. Ribosome read mRNA 3 bases or one codon at a time and construct the proteins. Okay, we observe this DNA double strand helicase. Then it formed to template is the one is old strand is called like purple color. This blue color is formed to mRNA. It's a transcription process. So is important to codon 1, codon 2, codon 3. Codon 1 codon is triple codons. One codon is triple amino acid. One codon is triple amino acid. So after transcription and form to translation, polypeptide chain is formation. Okay. Next, ribosomes. Okay, we have polypeptide chain. We already know it. One side, one amino acid and another amino, two building block of a body. This polypeptide chain. Okay, ribosomes made up of a large and small subunit. Next, composed of RNA. RNA is 40% and proteins 60% have two sites for tRNA attachment P and A. Very important. First attachment two sites there are tRNA attachment first P and A. A site, P site and E site, exit site. So is important. mRNA transcript start codon is AUG attaches to the small ribosomal subunit. Okay, this small subunit ribbon like this process. mRNA transcript small subunit attached to large a ribosomal subunit. Okay, this is important process. Ribosomes, first one, a large subunit attachment of tRNA, and the small subunit is attachment of mRNA. So 5 prime to 3 prime, then it P site, A site, important. Okay, we observe first is AUG. AUG is the starting codon. First it attached to P site. A very important question. First attachment of which site in tRNA, ribosomal RNA, or first P site is important. Then it attached to second is amino acid site is A site. P is peptidyl site is first attachment of starting codon AUG to form anticodon. Next step 2, elongation. First step 1 is the P site attachment of AUG, then elongation process. As ribosomes move to tRNA with their amino acid move into a site A and P of the ribosome. Okay, next peptide bonds join the amino acids. Okay, peptide bond joined with the amino acid is important of tRNA. So it peptide bond. Next we observe this mRNA is translation. Okay, growing a polypeptide chain of amino acid, and this was soluble tRNA. Then it shifted to second tRNA, cloverleaf model. The anticodon, codon and anticodon to form one tRNA to form polypeptide chain. Next, first one, initiation we observe. Okay, anticodon this codon anticodon bonded with hydrogen bonds, important. AUG is anticodon. A, this was RNA, so it this is RNA, so A paired with uracil, uracil paired with A adenine, guanine paired with cytosine, adenine paired with uracil, uracil paired with adenine, and guanine paired with cytosine. So AUG. Okay, this first tRNA is in amino acid 1 with green color. So step 2 is a second amino acid to form tRNA is initiation. Then elongation, very important. Initiation is P site is important. Then elongation. Anticodon, hydrogen bond also process elongation. This amino acid 1, amino acid 2 to form to peptide bond, very important, peptide bond. Then exit site they move to, so important peptide bond, one amino acid to another amino acid to form peptide bond. Okay, first is P site, then attachment to A site, very important. Another the amino acid is also ready to attach the codon to form the anticodon. Okay, this process is elongation process. Then it to move to exit, to leave the tRNA in first amino acid, then it soluble. Next it second amino acid, and next peptide bond for formation third amino acid it attached to codon to form the anticodon. So this process is peptide bonded also formation is ready to another amino acid 4 tRNA. So the process called elongation. Okay, then second tRNA leave, then third amino acid is attachment. So we observe this process, this first and second then it third third and fourth we observe, third it shift and fourth it so first attachment of AUG is P site, very very important question, peptidyl site, and then it attached to A site of second pink one. Okay, fourth with this then it stop codon also their ribosome move over one codon that form to peptide bond to form a amino acid or polypeptide chain. This termination means stop codon is a primary structure of a protein. Okay, this structure. Then 200 tRNAs formation, and after is the UAG is a termination codon, triple stop codon are there, but first one is UAG is a termination codon, then it stop it to formation amino acid. So it end product the protein, the end product of protein synthesis is a primary structure of a protein, a sequence of amino acid bonded together by peptide bond, very important. Okay, then it messenger RNA, mRNA. Okay, mRNA. Okay, this is starting codon and stop codon, and then form the protein like some stop codon. Then primary structure of a protein in formation, every amino acid to bonded to peptide bonds, so formation. Okay, next we have the enzyme. Okay. Hmm. Okay, then it observe. Okay, this diagram we observe. Structural gene, double helical DNA, then transcription of RNA polymerase enzyme, and 5 prime to 3 prime is important of HN RNA is important. Then it formation of slipping slicing means some cut is formation. Then addition of cap and tail and is called splicing type is cap and tail is formation splicing. Okay, then it formed to 5 prime to 3 prime mRNA molecule. It we observe ribosomal RNA is 48 subunit and 68 subunit. 48 subunit to attach to mRNA in cytoplasm and large subunit to attachment of a tRNA is a protein synthesis formation is important. Is HN RNA is important to splicing like addition of cap and tail. Okay, very important. Okay, gene expression. Gene expression means use the information present in the gene to synthesize a protein. A gene is expressed when the protein encoded by it required. Okay, next. Okay, transcription of DNA for expression of a gene, the coded information present in it to be transcribed. The prokaryote, the primary transcript it mRNA. In eukaryote, primary transcript in important prokaryote primary transcript is mRNA. In HN RNA is important, which is process to form a mRNA is important. Then mRNA goes to out of enucleate and attached to ribosome. Okay, is coded to mRNA. We also observe this. Okay, this process. Okay, important. Functional diversity of proteins structure from the structural component of tissues and organelles, like some proteins of collagen and keratin, very important, collagen and keratin. Now, regulatory cellular function, like hormones and cell signaling, very important, like insulin, also protein, glucagon, adrenaline, human growth hormones, and follicle stimulating hormone, also proteins is important, regulatory of proteins. And contractical from the like contractical element in some muscles, like uh, skeletal and smooth cardiac muscles, like myosin and actin, also it important function diversity of proteins important. And immunoglobulin also important to combat in invading of microbes. Antibodies such as next gamma globulin, gamma alpha beta gamma, we also gamma globulin is the important means gamma means G globulin is important of the in next transport, act as carrier molecule, like hemoglobin and myoglobin is the transport of some catalytic metabolic reaction enzymes, like amylase, lipase, lactase and trypsin is important. Yes, proteins, everything cell is overdoes depend on the protein contacts. Protein synthesis, this process also protein. Okay. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity. Okay, next okay, thank you. Next class we go and observe. Okay, bye.